Beautiful park in Laguna Beach. On the
Top things
coast.
to do in Laguna Beach, California. These experiences are wholly Laguna Beach, filled with vibrancy, curiosity, art, flavor, and adventure. Scroll to find your inspiration for your next visit. Take a stroll to Heisler Park, located just north of Main Beach, offers a spectacular views of Laguna Beach coastline. Take a half-mile stroll along the paved path to see many public art pieces. You can also enjoy a picnic on the
There's a lot
grass
of birds of
or
paradise
barbecue with
plants.
friends, and art is everywhere. The city of Laguna Beach
And
has
we
more than
also have a
100 unique
restroom here.
works of public arts. These pieces were designed and created
And more
specifically
over
for
there.
Laguna Beach and contributed to the life of the city.
It's a perfect spot.
Explore the many murals,
And this
statues,
place,
benches, and
you
other
can
pieces as
do
you
your
stroll
picnic
through
here.
the town.
We have a grill over there
Or
and
ride a
tables for
trolley. The city
picnicking.
of Laguna Beach provides free open air trolley service throughout the year. Schedules and
Wow,
routes
look at all
change
these
occasionally.
birds of paradise plants. Wow.
Monthly Art Walk. Established
These are
in
very, very
1998, First
expensive
Thursday
plants.
Art Walk is a festive cultural event on the first Thursday of every month. The event is free and runs from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Free trolley services runs throughout the evening. 40 galleries
hope you all enjoyed
participate,
this
offering
video.
artist receptions, demonstrations, refreshments, and live music. The Laguna Art Museum also offers free admission during this month event from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. And explore the tide pools, view amazing marine life hidden just below the waves. Laguna Beach boasts impressive tide pooling opportunities, giving you an up-close look at various sea creatures from sea stars to anemones.
Nice art.
There's also wine tasting in the canyon. The Laguna Canyon Winery offers award-winning wines that have been specially handcrafted on site. Premium grapes are selected from small, low-yield vineyards in the Napa and Sonoma valleys, ensuring table quality and flavor. Holds wine tasting closed Monday and major holiday. And also year-round whale watching. Cruises. The whale watching of Laguna Beach is exceptional with year-round opportunities. View giant blue whales in the summer and fall and gray whales in winter and spring, finback whales, minke whales, humpbacks, several species of dolphin and more viewed year-round.
Coastal water.
And Newport Landing whale watching and Dana Warp sport fishing and whale watching offer several whale watching cruises daily. The Laguna Art Museum focuses on cultural heritage of California and the unique story of Laguna Beach. Exhibits California art from 19th century to the present. Its skimboard shore break began in Laguna Beach during the early 1920s when Laguna Beach lifeguards used to skimboard on flat pieces of wood. Since then, the sport has only gotten bigger and bolder. Head to the Victoria Beach to see where it all began. And one-of-a-kind shops and galleries. Laguna Beach is home to more than 100 galleries and one-of-kind shops. The Artist Village offers the complete spectrum of fine art in casual walking environment. Whether you're in the mood to shop for home furnishing, jewelry, software, gifts, or just window shop, there are many options including ready-to-wear art and unique designer accessories. Laguna Beach Fairy Garden. Did you know the Laguna Beach Library has a fairy garden for kids to explore? It has Butterflies and Fairy Garden. It is a 1,800 square feet wonderland on the southeast side of the Laguna Beach Library and is managed by Kim Shields and Simon Adams. These are over 30 fairy houses and fairy scenes nestled throughout the garden, and kids can write letters to the fairies. Treasure Island Park, located on the ground of the five-star Montage Laguna Beach, This pristine park overlooks Laguna's beautiful coast. Enjoy an art lessons on the cliff, a picnic on the grass, or just stroll and enjoy the sun as you watch the waves below. Not only that, there is also a jazz. Enjoy live jazz concerts throughout the year in an intimate setting with world-class musicians. Doors open at 5. Show is from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. You just gotta get there early to get a good spot for parking. There's also a free historic bungalow tour. And there's many more things to do in Laguna Beach. There's also Sawdust Art Festival, selected Best Art Festival. Features 200 local artists, browse paintings, jewelry, ceramics, photographs, sculptures, art glass, and textile native to the area. Demonstrations, workshops, entertainment, and refreshment await you. The festival runs every summer with seasonal events held throughout the year. There is also traditional tea montage. Afternoon tea with a twist at the lobby lounge transformed into an enchanting oceanfront tea room and indulge in an assortment of elevated tea-based cocktail or champagne pair alongside creative take on a classic tea manual every Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Laguna Beach is a Southern California coastal town. It is known for its striking beaches, artistic offering 7 miles of coastal with over 30 coves and beaches, and is a popular destination for art lovers, nature enthusiasts, and beachgoers. Located in Orange County, halfway between Los Angeles and San Diego, there is a 7-mile coastline with over 30 coves and beaches, bordered by the Pacific Ocean, Crystal Cove State Park, Laguna Woods, Aliso Viejo, Laguna Niguel, and Dana Point. Part of the Los Angeles metropolitan area, has a total of 9.8 square miles with 8.8 square miles of land and 0.97 square miles of water. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comments, and don't forget to share. Thank you.
Today it's just so beautiful to not to be here today. This area, I am at the gazebo. is the Las Brisas over there. That's where I had lunch. Oh, look at these. Oh, so beautiful. Thank you for watching.